Yep, that's our artist. You're probably wondering how this happened. This paranormal anomaly began 48 hours ago. Our supreme commander of sleep deprivation summons a raw metahuman.
Ooh, abs.
Aggressively marinates in a substance painter biobase and forcefully slaps on a polygon blanket in marvelous designer. And yes, a topology is absolutely a nightmare. He then scavenges ancient and washed free assets. Because, why model a chair when you can download one with inverted normals, right? And then hits render to boil the liquid chaos. What this ghost didn't realize is our artist has been severely single for 3 whole years. Imagine the accumulation of desperation violently flowing through his veins.
I wonder what's he looking at?
Damn. So, to treat this spectral hunting as a premium opportunity to cure his massive loneliness, obviously showing his arms. Arms again. Oh my god! Oh my god! Well, don't look at me. The client's budget is really, very minimal. That's why it looks like that. See you on the next video. Bye!